Okay, sentence reverse. I'll read the problem first, and you're given an array of characters R that consists of uh, sequences of characters separated by spaces, by space characters. Each space delimited sequence of characters defines a word. Implement a function reverse words that reverses the order of the words in the array in the most efficient manner. Explain your solution and analyze its time and space complexities. For example, here we have perfect makes practice. So we have a array of characters and the words are separated by spaces. The words are in a right order. Okay. Here I find the output practice makes perfect. Okay.
Did you understand it?
I think yeah, because I'll deal with them like different. We have different words. Practice perfect makes practice the input, and then
Yes.
we will reverse the order of these words. Let's say it's words, so it would be practice makes perfect. So this is the question. Did I get it well? Hey, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can.
Okay. So is that the problem as I said?
Yes.
Okay. Uh, so this is our array and this is the output. And regarding the constraints, the length of this array is equal to, I mean, it's from 0 to 100, so it's okay, it's a valid input.
Yes.
And also it's a 1D char array. 1D char array. Okay, and the input can be consists of sequence of card by a space element each. Okay, so it have English letters and spaces only. Is that right?
Yes, that's right.
English spaces and English letters and spaces. And the English letters, I think it doesn't matter if it's uh, lowercase or uppercase. So okay. Okay. This is regarding the constraints that we have. Let's think of how we're gonna approach this problem. Okay. First thing, I should know that like when I have a word, and we said before I will have a word if there is a space. So at
Yes.
the beginning, perfect is a word, makes is a word, perfect practice is a word. Okay, I know that it's separate characters, but I will deal with it like word here now. Okay, so now I have perfect makes practice. Okay, I think I can make a I can use another space another data structure uh, 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 like two arrays. One of them will store the strings themselves, those strings I mean. So
Yes.
array of strings, and the other array will be array of characters, which is the output array of chars. And now I have these words, and I know that now I will push these strings into the array of strings. Perfect mixed practice. And now I have an array of 3 elements or 3 words. Uh, Push the strings into the array of
Okay.
strings. And the second thing will be I'll go through this array and push each character to the array of chars. Push each character in the strings array to the char array, but uh, I mean in between 2 strings I will push a space.
Yes, that's right.
So push spaces between strings, or yeah, between different strings. I think this is my approach, and the space complexity it would be O of n, because I'm pushing all the characters. And regarding the array of strings, it would be O of n as well. So I no wait. Yeah, space complexity it's O of n, and time complexity it's O of n as well,
Yes.
because I'm looping through each character in the array and pushing it into the other array. This is regarding time and space. Should I code this approach or think of another one now? I will code it,
Yeah.
or think
Yes.
of an
The
automatic.
time complex it's okay, O of n. But the space complex you could do this in O of 1.
Okay, okay, so I will not code this approach now. Okay, let me think of a better approach. Hmm. Okay. But how I will how I will optimize the space complexity, and the space complexity should be O of n because of the output array.
Oh yes, yes. That's right. Without considering the answer in the of this problem, I can assess the answer. Says that you could do this in O of 1, but I think it's not considering the output array, just
Yeah,
other things.
gotcha. So I should think of not using array of strings.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. How not to use array of strings? The input we have perfect, makes, practice. Okay. Mm, okay, and the output is practice. Practice is the last. Okay. What if I started from the last here, from the last characters?
Yes, that's the way.
Okay. If I started from here, and when I find a space, I know that I have a string right now, which is these characters. If I concatenated them, I will have a string, but I will need to reverse it to push it in a right way in this, I don't need to reverse it actually. For example, here I will have E C I T C A R B. Starting from here till P, I have this word, and then
Yes.
I will start from the end till first. I will push these characters into the output array, and after it I will push a space if I think we can talk about spaces later, because I will need to add spaces in all after all the strings, but the last one I will not need to add a space after it.
Yes, and the first one also here.
Uh, yeah, but we're talking like after adding this here, after it I will add a space.
Yes, yes.
Okay, this is my approach that I think by this way I'm not using array of strings, I'm using the array of characters as we said before, and here there is a string. Uh, hmm. But by the way, this string, it could be like, or wait, for example, if I have just one array and this array have A, B, C. By this way, the output will be ABC as well. Okay. So because
Yes,
all
yes.
of so in my approach, I have C, B, A, and then I will push all of them. Okay, but mm, yeah, I think this is my approach. Uh, so here we can say the space complexity will be O of 1 if we don't
Yes.
consider the array of strings or the output array, sorry. Should I code this approach?
Yes, this is the perfect approach.
Okay. Uh, Let me code it. The beginning, I'm iterating over the array from the end till the beginning. So we have the size here, and then I equal n minus 1 because I'm starting from the end equal
Yes.
0, I minus minus. Okay, so here I have, and we will have a string like current, which will have the current string that we having. Okay, if s of I, or it is not s, it's r. If r of I is not equal space, by this way I will concatenate it to current.
Yes.
So for example here, by this way I will have this word in the input array. I will have ECITCARP. Okay. uh,
Right.
okay, but what if I have a space? uh, okay, I think we can have another function to push a string into a character array. So let's make our character array here, the output I mean.
Okay. Right.
Output could be another easy name like reverse words, but I think output it will be easier while writing. So let's have another array, another function like helper function, or we can say push string to char r. Okay, we have a string which is current, and we have a vector which is the output, and I will send it by reference. Okay. uh, okay, so wait a minute. uh, yeah, I have a string, and I will start from the end till the beginning. Current
Yes.
dot size. Okay, I equal n, I bigger than or equal 0. Oh, okay, I will push these characters into the array, the output array, but this is will not equal r, it's not r, it's output. Output dot push back, I will push current of I.
You are missing a T here. Okay.
Okay,
I just put.
thank you. We have n, and here I'm iterating from n minus 1, I bigger than or equal 0, I minus minus, the output dot push back current. Okay, so here but by this way I have added the string correctly, but I didn't add any spaces, so here
Yes.
I will add the space here. Output dot push back space, but there is something also, current should equal empty, should be empty again, I mean reinitialize it. Okay, and in the end I will return the output array, but I don't know if I missed something or not. I will go through the code quickly to see if I missed something or not.
But just one thing. If we have two space together, like this is array of characters, and I have okay space and space together.
Is this a valid case?
Yes.
So in this case I should add both of them together.
Yes, you could have n space. You have to think about it. How can you solve that
I think it
if
will
you have
work.
n space?
I, I think it will work in my approach because for example if I have or wait, okay, for example if I have this array, I can also start an array with a space. Is that
Yes.
okay? It's not a problem I guess, but let me see. Okay, for example I have this array, in the beginning I'm here, so is
Right.
not if, is arrow of I not equal space? No, it will go here. I will push this space and current will be empty. It's okay. I'll go here. I see that is the arrow of I not equal space? No, it's equal space, so it will go here and add the space. Here from this C, I know that this C is it's not equal space. Yes, so I will do this. But there's some one thing I didn't write, which is when I call this function push string to char array, so I will add it. Okay.
Yes, that's right. Your approach is working
Yeah.
in this case also.
But I'm just trying to figure out when where I will add this the calling of this function. Okay. For example, here I have AC. Okay.
Could be here before space maybe. Oh yes, but we'll have a problem.
No, no. Let me see. Okay. Okay. I'll go through the code to see to check what I'm missing, and also to see where I will put this. In the beginning, I have
Okay.
vector of a char, which is output n arrow dot size current. I'm going from the end till the beginning. Okay. If arrow I not equal space, no, no. I'll go here. I will add this. I will add a space in case I find a space and reinitialize it. Okay. But what if I don't find a space like here? CA, I will have a string like current will equal CA, but
Yes.
after that I have a space, so I wanna call the function that we made, so we can put a condition here to check that if I have a space after this before this character or not, or if I reached the beginning of the string. In these two cases, I know that I will need to push the string into the output array. Okay. So here we know that. Here I will check. Does as arrow I minus 1, is it equal to space, or but let me just put here, if I minus 1
Yeah.
is less than 0, or arrow of I, this means I reached, I'm over the first character, or if arrow of I minus 1, it is not, it's equal to space. In this case, I will need to call the function. I have current and output. Okay, and so okay, in case here I have CA. When I'm over A, I will check that does is I minus 1, which is 0, is it over 0? Is it less than 0? No. Is it equal space? Yes. I will call this function. Let's go to this function. We have n equal current dot size. I'm starting from the end to the beginning, I minus minus. Okay, output dot push back current of I. I think this should work, but I will include the string. Okay.
Okay.
Let me write a test case in the main to test over it, like this one that we wrote. Okay. See out. Oh, it is not see out. Let's assume I have vector char. It's like answer equal reverse orders, which will be given an array, and this array is this one, for example, and then I will need to like I will print each character in it. See out I. Okay. I will run the code.
Okay.
A C. Okay. I think it's not. Okay. I think the output is not showing the spaces.
Yes, that's right. We have to put some two words
Uh,
to see the space.
to put what? Sorry.
Two words.
Two words.
Like here
Okay.
I can put.
I will put the given example actually.
Yes, 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 could be.
Okay. Oh. Oh, I think because it's multi-line. I don't know if it's okay. What is going on here? Vector answer reverse words. Okay. Multi character vector char equal answer. Constant expression evaluates. Static. Oh, what is this? I think the problem is the line of this test case that I'm writing.
Yeah.
But I don't know where is the problem. Maybe we can run the code because of we'll run out of time. Okay. I will run the code and I will run the test cases.
All right.
Okay. Yes.
Oh, it's working.
Yeah. Great. I have discussed the time and space complexities, I guess.
Yes, yes.
Okay, great. So we do you have any comments like any optimization or anything I can do now?
No, it's perfect. It's very well.
Great. So we can discuss feedback now.